Hey, awesome artists! Welcome back to Kiddo Adventure Zone. Today, we're drawing and coloring not one, not two, but three super cool characters from the Sonic universe: Sonic the Hedgehog, Shadow the Hedgehog, and the glowing golden Supersonic. Let's speed into action. Grab your colors and let's go! Part 1, Sonic the Hedgehog. First up, it's the blue blur himself, Sonic the Hedgehog. Drawing Sonic's classic spiky blue hair. Now sketch his face, with a cheeky smile and determined eyes. Now let's add his body. Arms stretched forward, legs back like he's zooming on his hoverboard. Don't forget his red shoes with the white stripe. They help him go super fast. He's got a strong, heroic look. Time to color. Use bright blue for his body, peach for his face and arms, and bright red and white for his shoes. And that orange hoverboard? It's full of energy. Look at him surfing through the air, ready to dash at lightning speed. Part 2, Shadow the Hedgehog. Next is the mysterious and powerful Shadow the Hedgehog. Let's color him in. Deep black for his fur, bright red for his stripes, white gloves, and those bold red and white shoes. Shadow always stands out. Add his spiky black and red hair. It's one of Shadow's coolest features. He's cool, serious, and always ready to fight evil in his own way. Part 3, Supersonic. And now, it's time for Supersonic. He's Sonic's ultimate form when powered up by the Chaos Emeralds, glowing golden and unstoppable. Start with the same shape as Sonic, but with his hair pointing more sharply upward, almost like flames. Draw his strong arms, big gloves, and powerful pose like he's flying through the sky. His shoes are the same, but his energy is off the charts. Color him bright yellow, almost glowing. Add red and white to his shoes, and outline his energy if you want to make him look like he's powering up. His eyes are fierce and ready to take on any challenge. Wow, you just drew Sonic, Shadow, and Supersonic. 3 powerful heroes, each with their own awesome style. Great work, artists. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more amazing drawing and coloring fun with Kiddo Adventure Zone. See you next time, and stay super fast.